coming to you from Can't 60 Foot to Save My Life. I didn't even think about doing this in the last video, but doing some side-by-side clips of how the car normally 60 foots versus how it was 60 footing this week. So I'll throw a little video together. Like if you watched my last video, you saw the 60 foot sucked. I was complaining that the car wasn't 60 foot. And it was pretty frustrating because I actually pulled some weight out of the car for once and it just went slower. So I'm gonna slap this quick video together, probably like 2-3 minutes, just of some 60 foots from the current combination on how it used to 60 foot, the old combination on how it used to 60 foot. And yeah, so enjoy. Let me know what you think.
Another one.
And no, it's not because the car has different tires. I've done 132s on the same tires. So I'm sure some of you, everyone on the interwebs is a genius and knows better than you and is smarter. So for you guys that, are going to tell me it's because the car's 60 foots because it has different tires. No, these tires I've done the fastest 60 foots ever consistently. 1.3s on these tires before. So it wasn't because I went back to a 26-inch tire. The 28-inch tire, I had it from the old combination, old converter, and I just needed that tire for the gearing I was going after. So the 26 is my new combination. With the gearing RPM I'm shooting for, the 26s work better. That's why I went from a 28 to a 26. Some of you guys have requested more puppy footage. So there's Mr. Charles, as we call him. He's just hanging out as I'm editing the video with his rabbit. Those are all his toys. He's definitely a toy dog. Smile, Charlie. He likes treats and toys. And he loves to play fetch.